say being chubby and financially independent is grossly underrated, because it is awesome.
Let me tell you about a woman who turned every rule of the fashion world upside down. Her name? Carmen Renee, the curvy confidence queen who's rewriting the playbook on beauty, one fierce strut at a time. Picture this. A girl from the Midwest with curves that could stop a train, told her whole life she didn't fit the mold until she became the mold. Back in 2018, Carmen was just another face in the crowd, until she posted a risky photo in a neon bikini that went viral. Overnight, her inbox exploded. Brands like Aerie and Torrid were knocking at her door saying, "We've been waiting for you." But here's the kicker. Carmen didn't just want to be a plus-size token. She wanted to change the game. Fast forward to today. Carmen's not just modeling, she's a revolution. Her Instagram feed, a love letter to stretch marks, cellulite, and curves that own the camera. She's graced the covers of Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue and People magazine, proving that real bodies belong in the spotlight. And get this, she's using her platform to push brands like Target and ASOS to expand their size ranges. Because fashion isn't fashion if it doesn't fit everyone. But here's what makes Carmen truly unstoppable: her authenticity. She'll post a glamorous shoot one day, and the next, you'll see her laughing with stretch marks on full display, captioning it, "Imperfection is my superpower." She's not just a model, she's a movement.
Oh, let me be a sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
So next time you're scrolling past airbrush perfection, remember Carmen's story. The girl who said, "My curves aren't a flaw, they're a freaking superpower." Drop a Y if you're here for the greatness, the rebellion, and unapologetic love.
Your sledgehammer.
One curve at a time.
Why you call my name?
Hashtag body positivity.
Oh, let me be a sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
Hey, y'all, if you love fierce fashion and curvy queens strutting their stuff, hit that subscribe button like it owes you money. We've got more curves than a country road and more style that your ex could handle. Don't just scroll. Stick around and join the best glam fam on the internet.